Tudungan sa no. Dan entum lu buhok man.
Baliskat ka. Dar, banyak aku kayong sina.
So guys, this is Dingle Family Farm School, and this school is actually from, so this school is not yet college but grade 7 to grade 12, and if students are they take exam here and pass the exam and qualified, they could avail free tuition here, and free tuition and no allowance yet, but studies here include agricultural research, and all about farming, and maybe a bit of veterinary, and that's all I could say, guys, that this school offers free tuition to any who could avail the scholarship here. So guys, as of now, this Dingle Family Farm School is populated with 69 students with free tuition. So this school is composed of grade 7 to grade 12 and 69 students. One class per level. So these 69 students is divided to 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 levels, and a very small population yet. But these students have free tuition here. So anyone interested to inquire here and take exam, entrance exam here at Dingle Family Farm School, if you are going to enter grade 7 up to grade 12, you will have free tuition here if you could avail, and if you pass the entrance exam. So this is the building here of farm school, guys. So they also have a dragon fruit plant here, guys, and papayas. So they also have a basketball court here, and maybe these tires they use for gardening. They put soil inside the tires and then plant some seeds or seedlings inside the tire with soil. So DIFS guys, DIFS means Dingle Farm Family Farm School Incorporated. So this is a government school and students pay free tuition here. So this is our vlog for now guys. This Dingle Family Farm School located here at Barangay Libuo, Dingle, Iloilo. And if any young guys or students who wanted to take an entrance exam here and enter grade 7 up to 12, this school offers free tuition and studies here include farming and maybe a bit of veterinary, and students could avail free tuition here. That's for our vlog for now guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in our next vlog. So guys, the Dingle Family Farm School, they have this native species of chicken here in Panay, which they call DARAG chicken, spelled DARAG, and they claim that this chicken is only limited supply and that this chicken has the most delicious meat compared to other chickens or species chickens. So this is called DARAG chicken guys. So these chickens guys are available here at Dingle Family Farm School, and this is also for sale. So if you want to buy this chicken, native chicken with delicious meat, apart from other species of native chicken, you can buy this here at Dingle Family Farm School. So guys, again, this is called DARAG chicken, spelled DARAG, and this is only limited supply here in the Philippines. And this chicken is a native species, and they claim that this chicken has the most delicious meat apart from other chickens here in the Philippines. And if you want to avail this chicken, guys, or buy, you can go here at Dingle Family Farm School because they are selling this and producing these kinds of chicken or breeding. So these exterior tires, guys, they recycle this and make use of this in gardening, and even plastic gallons are used for gardening here, and students are busy constructing their garden here. They're on the field. So thanks for watching, guys, and that's our vlog for now. See you on our next vlog.